What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I've got some latest BNGO news for you all. This is from a press release only 10 minutes ago, but I wanted to quickly update you all on this new development. Bionano customer Praxis Genomics receives DEX-Z codes from Palmetto for their whole genome analysis Ltd on Sapphire. Now what does this actually mean? From what I can tell, the DEX-Z code modifier is a unique 5-character alphanumeric code associated with certain molecular diagnostic tests. So this is a clear sign that BNGO's customers are actively using the Sapphire system for diagnostic purposes. This is important because the main issue that ARK Invest has with BNGO is that they think the application of optical mapping will be limited in research and will not be used widely in population genomics. So the fact that customers are using Sapphire in diagnostic environments goes against what ARK Invest thinks or believes. Eric Homlin, the CEO of Bionano Genomics, goes on to say this in a press release. We are impressed with the progress of Praxis Genomics and its founder Dr. Peter L. Nagy towards making OGM a first-line test for genetic disease genome analysis. So, this is good news for BNGO. I'm not sure how much of an impact this is going to have on the share price in the short term. As we can see on the chart, BNGO has not had the best month, but this is true for the entire market. All of the gene editing stocks have taken a hit as well. This is true for Pacific Biosciences and CRISPR, Editas and so on. Naturally, BNGO was also going to follow the same trend. I'm still holding long and strong as I believe that Sapphire will see widespread adoption eventually and may even be used in a 1-to-1 ratio alongside long-read sequencing technologies. Let me know what you guys think about the price action these days and where do you think the share price will be in a year from now. I want to hear everyone's price targets, so do leave a comment. Also, if there's a particular stock you want me to look into, then leave that in the comments below as well. I won't be able to look into every stock pick, but I'll definitely pick the most popular one. Anyways guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.